Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechBit Video, and today we're going to see how to use a freeze pan option on your Microsoft Excel mobile version. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to freeze the pans on the Microsoft Excel mobile, just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just need to freeze the pan from here or here, where you just need to freeze the pan. Just choose the cell first, okay? So it will freeze the row and also the column. Then you just need, for an example here, I just want to freeze. So I'm just going to type something like this, okay? So I'm just going to click this, and so in view section, just scroll down to the bottom section, and here you will see an option called freeze pans. Click on this, and here the first option I was talking about, the freeze pan. So click on this. Now you can see it has been freezed. So you can just scroll, you can see the fourth and this side will be freezed. So this is how you just freeze the pan, which will freeze rows and columns equally while you selecting. So if you just I just going to add another sheet here. So I added another sheet here. I just want to freeze this here in the 8th cell. So I just going to click on the view section and just going to the bottom section and click on the freeze pan. Now you can see it's freezed. The A, B has been freezed, and here up to the 8 has been freezed. So this is how you just use the freeze pan option on your Microsoft Excel on your mobile version. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.